Okay, welcome back after a long time. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We didn't have a lot of classes in the meantime. And we know object-oriented programming, there are four uh, main pillars in object-oriented programming. These are inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and what is another one?
What's the other one? Now I gotta recall everything. Let's see. So inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and
Encapsulation
polymorphism. Right.
and polymorphism. Now, polymorphism is very simple concept. If you understand the main concept, it will be easy for you. But if you don't understand it, it will be really a complicated one. Very simple. Just try to understand two words. Poly means many and morphism means form. Okay. The word polymorphism means many forms. Poly means many and morphism means form, meaning one method or function can take different form. It can work differently. Name will be same, but action will be different. Understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And in programming, it refers to methods, functions, or operators. Forget about operators. We know method and functions are same. In Java, we say methods, and in Python, we say functions. And with the same name, remember, same name. The function name will be the same, but it can be executed on many objects or classes. Okay, so same name. Say, for example, the name of the function is move. It can be used in many other classes and objects. The move function can be used some other classes in the same name. Okay. Now, just go directly to class polymorphism, because in practical life, we use classes and the functions within the class. Okay. Now, question is, what does a class include? Do you remember?
Okay. The class includes objects.
Yeah, class object. Okay. And what else?
I mean, it has methods or functions.
Okay. Function. What else?
And
Look here. Inside the class, we have method, we have variables, right?
Right.
Methods and variables.
Right.
And if you talk about object, look where the object stands. Let me take it out. Is object inside the class?
This is outside the class.
Outside the
I mean,
class.
it is.
It is
Yeah.
out of the scope inside the class, out of the scope from the class, right? So if you say class includes object, the answer will be incorrect, okay? But we can see there is a function, and we have also variables, okay?
Variables.
Now, এটা সবসময় এই যে এখানে ওখানে ওরা মুভ করে কনফিউজ
Mm-hmm.
হয়ে যায়। ইম্প্রোভাইজেশনের নামে অনেক সময় আমাদেরকে কনফিউজ করে। ওকে, ফাইন। নাও if you just understand poly is many, morphism is form, meaning inside a class, okay, look at the example. Inside car class, okay, we have def function, uh, this one, and we have move function. Look, move function. And inside the class both, we have again move function, right? Same name, move function. Now, and in another class, the name of the class is playing. We have same function. And the name of the function again, move. So we have three move function, okay? But their job is not same. The function of move is going to print driver or drive, and inside the both class, the function move going to print or execute sail, and in another class, that is plain class, inside the class we have another function in the same name, move function, and it is going to print fly. So same name, but these are in different forms, meaning they are executing different duties, activities. They are using to print different purpose. Okay, clear?
Yes, it is.
Okay, now you are familiar, you are very familiar till from here to there, right?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, these are you define
Yeah,
the
if you
function
practice once,
first.
twice, thrice,
Yeah.
it will be easy for you. What we are doing here, we are creating a class. Let us code. Let me just take out the text. It can be replaced by anything. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, so we are creating a class, and name of the class is car. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and what is it?
It, you're defining a function there, right?
Yeah, defining a
Init
function. It
function.
is init function. Init function is, what is init function? Question can be asked. What is init function?
Init function. Now I forgot. It's what is it? The initial function,
Initial function or init function is special function.
a special function.
Okay, and it is inbuilt. Come
Right.
with Python. This is inbuilt function. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but the move is defined by us. Okay, so this is
Right.
general function. It is not
User
special
defined.
function. This is special function. And
Okay.
inside the init function, we have self is variable, and it comes automatically with function. This is also inbuilt. Brand and model is defining by us. So self dot brand equal to brand, self dot model equal to model. We are familiar to this very well. Then we are defining another function, diff, and name of the function is move. And
Mm-hmm.
self, it comes automatically when you type in um, uh, IDE.
Any IDE, right?
Yeah. What does the full abbreviation of IDE?
That's integrated developer
Yeah,
IDE
integrated
environment.
development environment. Okay.
Environment, yeah.
Or you can say also developer. All right. So whatever you want to print here, you can print multiple texts or statements. This is car. Car runs fast, say for example. You can print some more statements. It's really not a big deal. Car is well efficient. Say for example, okay, when you click here, we are trying to run. You see, it's executing whatever we put inside move function. Now, the same way we are taking another class. We are defining another class, and name of the class is boat. And we are taking initial function, self brand model. You see, self brand model. We are using same variables also. Self dot brand equal to brand, self dot model equal to model, and name of the function is same move. Remember?
Yeah. Well,
Polymorphism, many form. Okay. Uh, journey by boat is very interesting. Okay. And we can say it gives us much experience. All right. Same way plane, we take init function, then we take the same function name, move. Fastest means of
transportation.
traveling, say for example. Okay. Now, what are we doing here actually? Just here we are creating object, right?
Objects. Mhm.
Car1 equal to car, parenthesis, and fourth is Mustang, boat one is boat, it can be any name actually. Plane one equal to, you are familiar with this, right?
Right.
We
Right.
create a car class, then we are creating object here, okay? Now, maybe this one is still not familiar in Python, but you did it in Java, right?
Yeah, but I mean,
Okay.
I don't recall, or I did not
Okay.
understand. What is
It's
the
very
loop they're doing
simple.
it over here?
For X in all the object reference variable, car1, boat1, plane1, then colon. It is a syntax in Python. Actually, just you practice several times and you can remember. Then, what is X here? We know for and in, they are keywords in Python. But what is X here?
It's, I don't know. Is it a number of
It is actually variable, okay?
right?
Variable. X dot to execute all the functions that is in the same name but in different forms, meaning executing different texts or statements, we need to access with a variable. This is x dot move. Move is the move function. Okay.
Function.
And it will print or execute all the statements inside the move function, inside the move function, inside the move function. Okay. Now,
So it's kind of like you're collecting all the move function and printing it out.
yes. Now,
I guess the
I'm telling
x.
you this x is variable. Why I'm saying variable? Because variable can be varied, right? I
Mm-hmm.
can say a and I can change it into a. Still, it will work.
Right.
Okay. But in any programming language, always we use in for loop for in x as a variable. Okay. But since it is variable, it can be varied. It can be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay?
Right. Right. I understand that. So what would happen if we eliminate the last two lines? Would it print anything? Or I think it would print probably like
This one,
you, no, the last two lines on the left side. No, those are it doesn't matter. Yeah, the last two lines.
this one, it is
Yeah,
helping us to print the statements.
right. So if we don't have it, it's not gonna print anything, correct?
Yes, yes. It is
Even
just a
though,
syntax in Python.
right, even though we have created the object,
Yeah,
so
you can create now as many as object if it is necessary. There
okay,
can
so
be maybe 50 objects.
right. So for X in all the objects, that is a must, right? In order to print
Yes,
whatever we designated.
yes.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So your now job is to practice several times, creating different classes.
Hmm.
I know now your concept is clear. What is polymorphism? How does it work? But you have to practice to master on it.
Hmm.
Okay? Maybe
Right.
there are some more examples. Let's check.
The example that I saw or I kind of looked into it, the length, when you try to find out the number of letters
Mhm.
using the length, so that has like you know, different actions based on something else, even though you use len like for an operator, one
Yeah.
for, right? So
Yes.
that helps me to understand the polymorphism
Okay.
already. So,
And you can also practice this one. Maybe
mhm,
there are some more. And if you just go to Google and just type polymorphism examples in Python, Geek for Geeks, you can find it here. You can find it here. Maybe example. Mm, If you click on images, you can find here some more examples, different in different angles, here, here, here are some codes. All right. Actually, programming does have a lot of applications, a lot of uh, programming, even we don't know a lot of things. But once you understand the concept, when you look at it, you can understand everything if you have
mhm.
concept. Okay, how does it work? You can understand this now, what they are doing here. Okay, once you understand the concepts with an example and practice several times, you can understand what's going on here. Then you can look into it and see what they are trying to do with this example. You see, right? Thousands of examples here. Okay, now our next class will be the recap of 4 pillars in object-oriented programming. Okay,
Okay.
then maybe we can move to some more foundational basic things that we left. We didn't touch it.
Okay.
Uh, After a month, we can start cybersecurity. Okay.
Uh, So, I think I already asked you, do you be able to send me the curriculum or the road
Okay.
pathway, or I
Yeah.
don't have that, I just want to look at it though, what we are doing like in future.
Okay. Okay.
Right,
Uh,
please send it to me.
all right.
So the next live class would be on Sunday, or there is something else going on before
Sunday, and I will send another class on Wednesday, pre-recorded class,
we
and
recorded?
live class will be on Sunday.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, very good. Please don't miss it because I'm like getting bored with this thing. I
Okay.
want you, I'm the laziest one. Now if you don't push me, I'm not gonna go nowhere.
Okay. Okay.
I like you because
Get
you are doing like in details, which is good, but it
a
makes me
little
lazy.
irregular. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. So, so keep me in track on track. Otherwise, I'll be off the track.
Okay.
Okay.
So thank you
All
so
right. I
much.
guess that's it, right? No problem.
Try to practice 3 to 5 times. Okay. Uh,
Okay, I'll try.
and without looking into the example, first look at the example, just retype, then
Mhm.
next 2 3 times change the classes, change the function, change the statements. Okay, and
Okay.
it will help you to master on it. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much.
All right. Very good. Okay.
See
Thank you.
you
Uh,
on next Sunday, but before it, I'm sending you another class. Okay, pre-recorded.
okay. Yeah, and please
So,
send me the roadmap. Thank
all
you.
right. All right.
Have a good day.